Once upon a meow, in a distant world called Felinica, the two main forces waged war over the most precious resource of all. Milk! On one side, a noble King Catper, who stands for healthy milk, fitness and wellness. And on the other, a terrible Count Ketula, who doesn't care about healthy living and aims to turn all the milk in the world into dark chocolate milk. And makes a profit out of it. Ever since, the two rivals are fighting for supremacy. However, the influence of their actions not only affects other cat nations, but also spreads to other worlds. But that, meow, is another story.